I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm not going to be one of those guys who are out there telling you to smash the subscribe button, hit the like, and ring the bell, because I'm not a sellout like that, all right? I'm not going to say that stuff, but, you know. Just kidding. Actually, I did have a good idea, and that is that in the month of February, for every new subscriber that I get, I will be donating $1 to St. Jude's Fund for Children, which is actually quite serious. So as you can see here, I'm very serious about St. Jude's. Got it on the shirt. Go out, support them, helping out the kids. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and feel good about yourself in the month of February. All right, thank you.